Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have a very special video for you guys. So I'm gonna do power wash to these stones in my patio that you see they're really black. So I got this unit that I bought Home Depot for $100 and I'm gonna try it to see how good is it. So let's begin. It might be a little noisy, but let's see. Oh my God, look at that, guys. For $100, this machine is doing the power wash. The only thing that you gotta get really close to be able to clean it. But look at how nice that guy comes. Look, it takes all the black residue from the stone. Look at how nice. Look at that. This is great, guys. This is moving all the black. Look at that. Wow, look at how different. Look how good that removing all the black. So instead of paying $1,300 to a person to do the power wash, you could go and buy this unit in Home Depot for $100 and you could do it yourself. You could get your kids to do it for you. So this is a perfect DIY to do in the weekends if you don't have nothing to do, nothing to go, or nowhere to go. Look at how nice. Okay, it came out brand new. The only thing that I suggest is that you get really close with the hose. And this has a different gadget that you could change to have more power. Look at how nice. It's unbelievable, guys. Look. Look at how clean. So it's a small power wash for $100, but it really does the work. Look how nice and clean it came out. Bye guys. So guys, I hope you enjoy this content. I just wanted to show you that you really don't have to break the bank with $100. This does the job. Nice and easy. And you don't really have to spend a lot of money to pay somebody to do it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and have a blessed day. Besitos, besitos, bye bye.